Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can create a form and set up that form into the Shopify store. So let's go to the create form. Here you can select any template, any predefined template, or you can create the form from scratch. So let's start from scratch. Here you can see the form is appearing. Let's give the form name. Let me give the registration form. Here you can see no fields are available, so you can add your field. Let me add the text. Here you can select the size of the form. Size of this input field, you can select if it is required or not. Give the label, you can add the default value as well. You can add the placeholder as well. You can add some below input text just like info. You can add the custom class for the CSS as well. Let's add last name, let's add the email, let's give the full width. Add the message if you want to give some headings and extra things, so you can add, or you can add the content as well. Just save this form. After the saving, you can see the shortcode. For this you can see the form shortcode. You just need to copy this code, or you can get this code from here as well. Go to the forms. Here you can see our addition form. You can copy this code from here. After this copying this code, go to the admin, select the theme where you want to show the form. Let me select this one. Go to the cartridge, or you can add the form here. Let me add the section here. You can see the app block here, you can see form. You just need to copy paste here that I'd once you can fix once you add this ID here, so you can see the form. In case if you are not able to see this form, just make sure you enable this form embedded app. You must need to enable this thing. So here you can see how we can show the form here. So let me know if you have any question or something, or if you have any question, just reach out to us by clicking on the chat icon.